Hello everyone, this is Sandeep here. Welcome to my channel, Realtor from Dubai. If you are following my series of Sunday Solutions by Realtor from Dubai, then we have seen the real estate market of Dubai, be it for townhouses, villas, or for that matter apartment, is kind of booming. And I have shown you with the numbers that majority of those buyers in today's market are financed buyers. So in today's episode of Sunday Solutions by Realtor from Dubai, we are going to discuss property financing. We are going to discuss how mortgage is done, what is the process involved, what are the terms and conditions. And to do that, I have Mr. Samir Vaya with me, who is founder and managing director of Mortgage Simplified. Samir is in the industry for more than a decade, and he has helped thousands of his customers to get his financing done easily and reliably. Welcome Samir to the show.
Thank you for calling me on your channel.
So Samir, to start with, can you tell me more about your company? What exactly you do? What are the sectors of financing do you cover?
We specialize in mortgage, and hence the name Mortgage Simplified. So we are independent mortgage advisors. Now, depending on the client's requirement, we will find a solution which is most suitable to your profile and your requirements through the access of 20 plus banks that we have.
So Samir, as I just mentioned, there are a lot of buyers in the market these days who are financed buyers, and the number has increased phenomenally over the 2 quarters. So can you tell me, what is this? Is there any specific reason behind this, or just the price is playing the bigger role in there?
Well, the price has been the major contributor. However, there are several other factors as well. We have seen, of course, last year that the prices did go down quite a lot. That gave rise to clients who wanted to buy properties, end users and investors both. At the same time, banks have also relaxed their policies. So last year we saw from 75 to 80% finance. So more finance by the bank means less down payment involved. At the same time, discount on the processing fee, discount on the insurance cost, etc. Several factors all combined gave rise to more mortgage demand. So yes, for salaried, self-employed, non-residents, if you want to get a mortgage, the process is much better than before.
So we are seeing a lot of discounts out there.
Yes.
So I don't, a lot of freebies out there, yeah.
Yes.
So just tell me, is there this trend is going to continue, or we are seeing a rise in the interest rate affecting the numbers?
I think the interest rates are going to remain low for quite some time. EBOR, which is the central bank rate, has been the lowest that we've seen in the last 14 years. And even if there is an increase, maybe after a year or two, maybe 3 years, this is the time that I believe that the interest rates will remain low. The increase will be gradual. It'll be decimal points, slowly that the interest rates might increase if there is an increase. So I think the market is going to remain quite healthy for quite some time. Interest rates will be low, discounts available, property prices are as low as well. They have been increasing, but still, compared to the last several years, the last 12 to 14 years, we are at one of the lowest points.
So good news for the buyers out there, interest rates are not gonna increase very soon. So this is the time you should get your financing done and get the property that you were looking from a long time. So Samir, we have seen there are a lot of first-time buyers in the market who are looking to get their property financing done and everything, all the process they wanted to do. But at the same time, they are curious also how this thing works, because not everyone is familiar with the financing field. So can you explain what is the process involved? Is it easy? What are the terms and conditions involved there?
Well, see, the overall product or the overall procedure remains same for most of the banks. However, from bank to bank, there might be slight variance in terms of their internal policy for their personal product, right? So for salaried, self-employed, and non-residents, there are mortgage options available. For salaried individuals with a salary of as low as 10,000, you can apply for a mortgage. For self-employed, if your business is 2 years old and you have decent transactions in your company account, you can apply for a mortgage. Up to 80% can be financed for residents, first-time buyers. And there are certain banks which will even incorporate some of the fees involved in buying a property. So there's the DLD fees, real estate fees. So a portion of that can be added to the mortgage as well. So yes, the mortgage process, of course, is not as simple as you've seen, but that's where we come in. Within 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes, we can understand your requirement, your profile, and can give you I would say we can calculate your eligibility and see where you stand in terms of your mortgage.
That's why I said he has helped thousands of his customers to get financing done easily and reliably, because 30 minutes is not a long time to get your financing things done in this market, especially in Dubai real estate market. So all you have to do is watch the video till the end, because I'm gonna give his contact number and his contact details so you can contact him to get your financing things done in quick time. So Samir, next question is about the off-plan market, because there are a lot of buyers in the market who are buying off-plan properties. Can we get financing done on the off-plan properties? Is it easy, or how the process works?
Well, yes, it is possible. It is possible to get mortgage on off-plan properties as well for selected projects with a certain number of developers, right? So 50% of the property price can be financed if the property is under construction, right? However, I have seen quite a lot of developers offering payment plans like 25/75 or 30/70. So we've seen in the last couple of months or even last year that a lot of developers are offering these attractive payment plans. So the clients can pay the 25 or 30% in tranches over a period of time. And once the property is complete, once the developer has given you the handover notice, is where the property is now considered as complete. It's a ready property. That's when the bank's policy changes from 50% to 80%. So banks can finance up to 80% on these properties. So I always advise most of my clients, rather than getting a mortgage at 50% while the property is under construction, rather get your mortgage sorted at the time of handover, when majority of the funds which are due to the developer can be all financed by the bank.
Alright, so point to make here is off-plan properties can also be financed.
Yes.
But it is advisable to wait till the handover so that you can get the majority of the payment financed from the bank.
Absolutely.
So the next question is, Samir, there are a lot of non-residents who buy property here in Dubai. Also, they wanted to know, is it possible for them to get a finance from the bank here in Dubai? So is it easy? Is it possible for a non-resident to get a bank finance here in Dubai?
You'll be surprised. Yes, it is quite easy. In fact, sometimes even residents feel, I should have been a non-resident rather than that. The process is even a lot more simpler, you might be know. You know, there are certain banks which will finance on low document policy. So up to, as I said, 50 to 60% can be financed for non-residents, and very basic documentation. All you need is 3 sets of documents, which your passport copy. I'm sure everyone carries that along with them. You need to download 3 months of your personal bank statement. Of course, it's just a few clicks away and you can download that. And if you're a salaried individual, then you give your salary certificate. Or if you're a self-employed, then you give your certificate of incorporation, just like a trade license. So that's the income proof. So just with these 3 basic documents, a non-resident can get a mortgage. Yes.
That's quite simple. And to sum up today's discussion, we have discussed that mortgage these days is a very simple process. Interest rates are not going to increase in near future, so your time is now. You should go and get your financing done. Even the off-plan properties can be financed. Even the non-residents can get finance on their purchase of property here in Dubai. So all your queries we tried to solve today. If you have any questions, any queries regarding mortgage, any finance related questions, all you have to do is contact Samir on his number, which is on the screen now. You can also DM him on his Instagram handle, which is mortgage_simplified_UAE, which is also on the screen now. And I hope this video was helpful and informative like previous videos. If so, don't forget to like, comment and share the video. If you want me to make more such videos in future, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, because that will motivate me to make more videos like this, indeed helping you to make an informed and wiser real estate decision. Thank you, Samir, for coming to the show and giving the valuable information.
Thank you for inviting me as well. It's been quite interesting for me as well.
It's a pleasure always. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next Sunday with yet another episode of Sunday Solutions by Realtor from Dubai, with yet another topic that will help you to make an informed and wiser real estate decision. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you.